Introducing the Bottle Electric Coffee Grinder, a revolution in coffee craftsmanship. Crafted from lightweight, premium-grade polymer, its fine surface delivers sophistication without the bulk. With 45 precision grind settings, you're in total control. From silky espresso to coffee maker, the classic-inspired lid design enables effortless bean loading. Twist once and craft perfection. One-touch operation starts the grind, while smart auto shutoff ensures no over-processing. Our newly developed patented grinding structure, paired with a high-hardness stainless steel grinding core, guarantees ultra-consistent grounds every time. Need more capacity? The standard 20 grams chamber magically expands to 80 grams, perfect for gatherings or busy mornings. Plus, the airtight container doubles as a portable coffee vault, ready for adventures. From morning kitchen rituals to camping trips, durable and compact enough to fit in any backpack, ready for any adventure. It's the only grinder you'll ever need. From essential fuel to social currency, it turns daily grind into caffeinated ritual. And why settle for ordinary? Choose from 4 bold modern colors to match your style.